바로 파이어! 끝! Oh no!
Hi, baby. Okay, come down, come Hey! What are you doing? Hey! Where do you live?
Go to the left, turn and right.
Okay. Good job, baby!
I know you told your friend you're not okay. Oh no! Tell me what's wrong, why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way
Hey, brother!
If I do something, then I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. up. Don't let them see you, bitch. Always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy. It was built to be rough, but that's what makes a personality is tragedy, bruh.
I hope you like and subscribe to our videos. We love you very much.